My career began with a bachelor's in architecture, but I also have a background in construction because my grandfather started a construction company. My dad kind of followed it. I spent a lot of summers on construction job sites, so construction was like second nature to me.
I'm originally a mining engineer. That's what I went to school for. When I graduated, I had a friend's dad who introduced me to tunneling construction, and I got my first job at an underground tunneling project, which just really opened the world of construction for me. And so now I do highway, heavy civil construction work.
I actually started out in the industry as a bookkeeper, accountant in a construction company, and worked my way up through production, sales, and kind of just running the office. And about 4 or 5 years ago, I opened up my own company, the roofing company.
Back in 2008, I was in Florida, and the commercial real estate market had crashed along with the residential real estate market. And I was single, and I had to find a way to support myself. I had some friends who told me some needs in the construction industry, and I had a general contractor's license at that time, and I decided to start a construction company.
I'm the senior project manager here at the Greenville County Administration new buildings that you see behind us. Really exciting project that the county has been trying to get in the works for years, and we're just so excited to finally see it happening. I am over a team of the general contractor who is DPR, and we have about 12 people on our team, and one of those is Marissa here beside me.
I'm a project engineer here for DPR. I just graduated Clemson Construction Science and Management in May. So I newly came on in September, but I'm running a couple of my own scopes here, and also just doing a lot of RFIs and submittals, and still just learning all the new information there is to know.
A typical day is getting prepared to deal with a lot of specialties at once as far as contractors go. So you have to be able to be quick on your feet.
So I work heavily with the architect and the owner to get all the finish selections, get all the submittals. But I also am part of the day-to-day activities on the job site.
So I get to work around 6:30. I'm a little bit of an early bird, so I like to get there early. I review all of my foreman's time, and then usually I have at least like 2 or 3 little 911s. I go check on all my operations. The coolest thing about highway construction is every day is different.
I wake up at 4 a.m. every day, and I do about an hour's worth of work. From 5 to 6 I work out, and then I start getting my kids ready. I'm very small kids, and then we turn around and I work till about 4 p.m. and it can be sales, production, accounting. I'm pretty much, hands-on with a lot of my team.
This project has been really exciting so far. We're building in a very interesting economic time, so we've had a lot of challenges.
Not only am I younger, I'm usually the only female, which is kind of fun.
Ask as many questions as you can to whoever you can. 90% of the guys that you deal with would love to help you.
You might feel a little nervous the first few times you're on a construction job site, but then as you become a part of it, it gets more natural.
I think it's just always important to ask a lot of questions. Find mentors in the field that you're in.
Since I was probably in the 10th or 11th grade, 2 of my dad's best friends encouraged me to pursue engineering.
One mentor that stood out quite a bit to me was actually a guy. He made me think a lot more than previous people had actually done in the industry.
You learn to make a lot of difficult decisions, and that's a skill. So it's not just something that you apply to construction, but you can apply that to your life as well.
I think the biggest opportunity I have on this building, it's my first commercial building job I've been on. It's really a great learning experience for me to see the building through.
Women in construction are really strong people. And I'm very confident to say this, that every woman in construction has that strength in her. It's just a matter of being patient and being confident and bringing that strength out.